Yeah, hello everyone, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much for your love and support. As always, I am so grateful. If today's the first time you are coming across this channel, or today's the first time you are seeing this channel or hearing of this channel, or someone share it to you, this is Agatha Progress channel, and I come across your way every blessed day. In this channel we react to news of all sorts, all news, all celebrity gist, all latest updates, all Africa and international news. We test it all here. What you are about to see right now on this video is going to shock you, because this is the joy and happiness that we derive from being a Biafra. Imagine this type of crowd going to support a particular man. Is no other person than the person of Nnamdi Kanu. You see the reason why it's going to take a very long time before Nigeria government will allow Biafra to go, because that man is something else. This is just one of his visits when he was still in Nigeria. You have to see the reason why you have to take what rightfully belongs to you. When people are talking, there is a reason. There is every tendency that Nigeria government, they are afraid of the unknown, of which I and you know that. We can testify to it that you don't think. So in this type of situation, what is your take? Do you really think that with all this, is it not obvious? Are you not happy to be a Biafran? Are you not happy to get the freedom and everything that you everly think about? This is the type of crowd that will welcome our leader Nnamdi Kanu even more than this. Because every day things are changing, and every day everything is becoming anew and afresh. This is why the Nigeria government is afraid, because if this type of crowd can welcome a man, if this type of crowd can say yes to what he believes, if this type of crowd can trust him, and you know that this type of crowd was not giving a dime. No money is given to them. All what they are doing is willingly. They are doing it from their own heart, because they are tired of this one Nigeria. This is exactly the crowd that we need to come through to get the Biafra that we everly need. This is what we are hungry and tasting after. Do you know that there is a lot going on right now? There is a lot happening right now. There is a lot we ought to do. And there is more that is yet to be done. Is sweet. It's going to be a land of milk and honey. So it's really surprising whereby you see some people who did not really believe, but there is no benefit without no action. Whenever we are doing the talking and there is no action, that is where the problem is. We have to apply action to whatever we are doing. In fact, I know that there's a lot of people that cannot be your grand on Biafra land, but your little support will go a long way. Support the movement, support what they believe, support everything that transpired. So don't even be surprised that you are trying to be discouraged towards this movement of Biafra. Biafra is a great nation, and we hope to see the brightness and the sweetness of Biafra. Support this great movement of Biafra. Support Nnamdi Kanu. That man has sacrificed a lot. When I say a lot, excess. And up till now, we still see some people that said, go and sit down. What has Nnamdi Kanu done? Do you know that what Nnamdi Kanu have done in seeking for this Biafra, a lot of people has not sacrificed it. Just imagine, something that got me thinking is this. Since Nnamdi Kanu said IPOB meeting should pen for a while, nobody should go out for IPOB meeting again because of the excess killing and what is going on in Biafra land. What happened? We don't hear about Biafra anymore. I want to ask a question. Where are those people that said they so much love Biafra? Must it be that it's only Nnamdi Kanu that is doing the talking or doing the leading? You that say you love Biafra and you want Biafra to come, what are you doing? Now they have given you the go-ahead. You have all what it takes to lead Biafra. You have all what it takes to let the boat keep moving. But what are you doing? You are doing nothing. You left the work undone. You left the work halfway. That is what you have done. I think by now when they are talking about the struggle of Biafra, I think by now when they are talking of how we can get Biafra, I think by now when we are thinking of how things can work out for Biafra, by now that Nnamdi Kanu stop the meeting of IPOB, everything would have been going on very well. But no, what happened? Everybody calmed down. Nobody is even talking about it. I thought there are a lot of people that love this Biafra more than Nnamdi Kanu. You that love Biafra more than any other person, you that love Biafra more than any other thing, now what are you doing? Why this calmness? Why is everywhere silent? Why nobody is talking about it? Why are you not coming down? I thought that for so long, Nnamdi Kanu has been disturbing you people not to talk about Biafra or not to do what you want to do. Now that he gave you people the go ahead, what are you waiting for? What I am thinking that I thought by now, hey, a lot of things would have been going on. A lot of challenges, a lot of people to come out to talk about Biafra. A lot of things would have been happening in Biafra land. But no, since Nnamdi Kanu cut everything short, everything is just the way it were. Nobody is talking about Biafra. So what is your position now in agitating for Biafra? You that say you can do everything, what is it now? You see what is happening to our South governors, our Southeast governors, they are all dreaming. They never thought about Biafra. They never understand the word Biafra. Because why? I think they are after this election. I think they are after 2023 election. But they should understand that not the way they are seeing it, that is that they are. Even if they said they should give them presidency 2023, of which we know it is impossible. Believe me, it is impossible because the Northerners are not even ready. They control everything in Nigeria, of which we know that. Even the Southeast governors, they are aware that the Northerners control everything in Nigeria. But still, what is holding them back? We see the killings of Fulani herdsmen. We see what is going on in our country, Nigeria. Being that we need Biafra, then what are we waiting for? Fulani herdsmen has been killing people morning, afternoon, and evening, but nobody talks about it. All what the Southeast governors knows how to do is to open one security outfit or the other. Now they say they have a restore peace, Operation Restore Peace. How many peace have they restored in the Southeast governor? How many peace have they restored among themselves? How many peace have they restored to the community? Who is that governor that can be very bold and said, I will enter my community and stay in my community and nothing will happen? I will enter my community and visit from one family to another and they will accept me. How many governors will move out in Southeast and start walking with their bare legs or with their bare foot from one place to another? Let people start seeing them. Can they do it? If they cannot do it, that means they are doing nothing. That is the challenge we got in this type of situation or in this type of condition. If you want to serve the people, serve the people. And I still believe that sooner or later, Biafra will come. If this type of crowd can be waiting and appreciate the leader of Biafra, Nnamdi Kanu, then you should have the hope that one day Biafra will come. We don't need to be discouraged. We need to hold on to what we believe. And I think that the main reason why Nigerian government never want Biafra to come is this. It's just that they are afraid. If Biafra go, you know that the emptiness of Nigeria will be seen by everybody. If Biafra is out today, you will see that the emptiness, everybody will know that Nigeria got nothing. Everybody will know that Nigeria don't really have what it takes to lead a community. Everybody will know that Nigeria don't have what it takes to lead a country. So that is why I and you, we are saying this. That is why I and you, we are coming out. Let's start speaking for what we believe, because sooner or later, it will just be like a film. And it will be cleared in our eyes. What is your take? What do you think that will be your portion if Biafra comes? What will you think that the environment will look like? Don't you think that it will be so conducive for you and your family, or don't you think that it will be so conducive for you? You that is still doubting the faith of Biafra. Remember, there is nothing good that comes so easily. I know for sure a lot of people will say they are killing your people. What are you people doing? It's time now. It's not time for you to say time now. Every day, every minute, every second should be the time for the agitation of Biafra to come to pass in your heart, in your mind, in your thoughts, in your well-being, in everything that you do. Don't forget this wonderful hustling that one day Biafra will come. We need a conducive environment. We need a life that glows with milk and honey. We need a life for us to be happy with our children. What do you think when Biafra come? Where will you be? Will you be among those people that are sitting down on the fence and watch? Because when Biafra will come, definitely there is going to be separation of techniques. All right, my wonderful people, without no further ado, I got to end it right here. Please, if you know you haven't subscribed to this beautiful channel, please do well to subscribe. I got our progress on the way. See you when I see you. Bye-bye.